The default search engine that comes with the iPhone Safari browser is not easy to use. If you want to change to other search engine, please watch this video to find out how. Step 1. Go to the settings. Step 2. Go to Safari. Step 3. Click on Search Engine. The default search engine is Google. Click on the one you want to use. Step 5. Open Safari. And the search engine has been changed successfully. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any other questions, please write down in a comment and I will reply. Also, if you like my video, welcome to like, comment and share it.